stories of strength amongst our warriors. They are raising awareness themselves and sharing about your lupus journey, how they discovered lupus. On the 9th of May is our official Put on Purple Day. So we're encouraging government agencies, schools, the private sector, everybody to wear purple and use the hashtags Make Lupus Visible and Lupus Foundation JA, so we can get that activation and keep on sharing right across Jamaica. We are making resources available, PowerPoint slide decks, whatever you need, information leaflets, so people can reach out to us. By the way, if somebody hears this afterwards and still wants to do an activation or a lupus corner in their workplace, they can still reach out to us. On the 9th, we're also having a mini walk on UTech campus with the Medical Services Unit. So we're going to be walking around that one way on UTech campus. And because World Lupus Day is on the 10th, which is a Saturday, those who are Seventh-day Adventists and may not make it out to the major stride walk that we'll be having on the 10th can join us at UTech at 10 a.m. on May 9th. Now, the big day is World Lupus Day, and what we're doing is a stride walk. We're starting from Barbados Avenue at the KCMC car park or parking lot. So we're starting there on Barbados Avenue, and we're going to be taking it down through Oxford Road and making our way all the way up into Halfway Tree and then straight to Winchester Business Center. So our office is at 29 Winchester Business Center. So the walk starts at 9 and will culminate at 10:30 at the Winchester Business Center. Here we'll be having our Wellness Day. So it's a care day really for lupus warriors. So we'll have physiotherapists giving simple massages, giving consultations, rheumatologists will be there. We'll be doing nice things too, like facials, potentially pedicures. We want our lupus warriors to feel special and to be treated on that day. So we encourage their friends and families to come out with them and join them to give them that extra support. We want people to sign up for membership. We want people to donate, and we want people to engage in year-long activation. So May 10th is just a stimulation for the activation that we need across the year. So our website, lupusfoundation.org, there are details there to engage, whether you want to sign up for membership, donate, engage in activations in your community. You can also email us at info@lupusfoundationjamaica.org. You can email me directly at executive director@lupusfoundationjamaica.org. So you can call us at 778-3892. That is our helpline number. We get calls every day, from where to find a rheumatologist to how can I donate, how can I buy a shirt. You can call me, the executive director, directly at 510-876-510-1288.